my dear friend. I see that you are somehow surprised. You shouldn't be afraid. I'm here to help. I have been messing around with this world for a while. I hope it's any of you liking what I did. So, let's do this. One more time.
Following message is transmitted at the request of the St. Louis Police Department. At around 10:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, an unknown figure began appearing on a video game that is similar to Sonic the Hedgehog. Then, they heard a message saying, "Let's do this one more time," in an unsettling way. It is unknown what this entity looks like. All residents are heavily advised to seek shelter immediately. If you hear the message from the entity, shut off your computer immediately. Stay tuned for further information on this strange situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the St. Louis Police Department. At around 11:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there were many 911 calls that an entity broke into citizens' homes and ripped out their eyes. Many citizens also reported seeing the entity in a disguise similar to Sonic the Hedgehog. All residents are advised to seek shelter immediately. Lock all doors and windows and seal all cracks with tape or damp towels. If someone knocks your door, do not let them in, even if it may be a family member. Stay tuned for further information on this strange situation.
Breaking news. A family of 5 in the city of St. Louis was found dead in their home. The corpses look like they have been ripped in half. There were also blood on the walls written, "Let's do this one more time and I am God." Uh-oh, what is that? Leave me alone. I need to get out of here now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the St. Louis Police Department. The entity situation has worsened. Many people were found dead in their home with their bodies ripped in half. Security footage has also captured the identity of this creature. This creature has blue fur, brown skin, black eyes with glowing red pupils, razor-sharp teeth and razor-sharp claws, plus multiple limbs. This creature is identified to be Sonic.OMT. If you see Sonic.OMT, do not approach him, as he is extremely dangerous. All residents are heavily advised to seek shelter immediately. Lock all doors and windows, turn off heating and air conditioning systems. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. If you see someone show up at your door, do not answer it. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. All important instructions will follow. We interrupt your programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been suspended during this emergency. All Eas participants will follow activation procedures in the Eas Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Sonic.OMT has been seen teleporting into citizens' bodies where he forces them to rip themselves in half. He is also seen burning people alive when he captures them. This is a very life-threatening situation and should not be ignored. Police and military are trying to take down this creature, but so far it is unsuccessful. Remember to lock all doors and windows and seal cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. If you see Sonic.OMT, call 911 immediately and authorities will help you. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
Found you.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Sonic.OMT has been seen ripping off citizens' heads. This creature is extremely dangerous and should not be approached. This is a very life-threatening situation that should not be ignored. The military is trying to take down this creature, but so far it is not successful. The only option we have left is to nuke Sonic.OMT, lock all doors and windows, turn off heating and air conditioning units, seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request from the Prime Minister of Canada. Sonic.OMT has been ripping people in half and decapitating them. This creature is extremely dangerous and should not be approached. This is a very life-threatening situation that should not be ignored. The military is trying to defeat this creature, but so far it is not successful. It is unknown if this situation will be resolved or not. All residents of Canada are heavily advised to seek shelter immediately. If you hear a knock, do not answer it. Stay tuned for further information.
Interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. All instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Our world is coming to a horrific end as we know it. There were reports of rising heat all across the United States, as well as people ripping themselves in half and being decapitated. The rising heat will continue to skyrocket as time goes on. There's nothing we can do to stop Sonic.OMT as he is resistant to all forms of weaponry. You are advised to gather with your loved ones and pets and embrace for the final moments on Earth. May God save us all.